Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Sheets using OAuth for AI automations. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Create a new project by selecting the Select a Project drop-down. Click on New Project and enter a name for your project. Once your project is created, navigate to the dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on APIs and Services. Select Library from the drop-down menu. In the API library, search for Google Sheets API. Click on it, then hit the Enable button. Now, return to the APIs and Services menu. Click on Credentials. Select Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. If prompted, configure the consent screen by filling in required fields. Choose the application type as Web Application. Under Authorized Redirect URIs, add the URI where your app will handle responses. Click on Create to finalize the OAuth Client ID configuration. Make a note of your client ID and client secret. Now, go to your application's codebase. Install the Google Client Library for your programming language. For Python, you can use pip install upgrade Google OAuth. Next, implement the authentication flow in your code. Set up the OAuth client using your client ID and client secret. Direct the user to the authorization URL for Google Sheets access. After authorization, retrieve the authorization code returned by Google. Use this code to obtain an access token and refresh token. Store the tokens securely for future requests. You are now ready to make authenticated requests to the Google Sheets API. Test your implementation by retrieving data from a Google Sheet. Ensure that your automation correctly processes the data. Once confirmed, you can expand your application further. And that's how to authenticate with Google Sheets using OAuth for AI automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.